Hi, I'm Audie. Welcome everyone to today's video where we are unlocking the ultimate wealth cheat code. In this video, we are going to master the topics of saving and compound interest so you can take total control of your financial future. The absolute biggest secret to building wealth is that you don't need to be an adult or already rich to do it. You just need to start right now. By saving small amounts consistently, they will naturally grow into massive amounts over time. In fact, your greatest advantage isn't how much you make, it is time itself. It is so powerful that Albert Einstein even called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Let's equip your financial shield by understanding what saving actually is, simply setting aside money today for tomorrow's use. Doing this gives your life some massive stats boosts, like preparing you for unexpected emergencies and helping you hit your financial goals. It also heavily reduces stress by creating peace of mind, avoids unnecessary debt, and ultimately unlocks your total independence. To make saving easier to tackle, you need to think about the 3 levels of financial goals. Level 1 covers short-term goals taking less than a year, like buying bikes, video games, or paying for school trips, which you should keep strictly in cash or savings. Level 2 covers medium-term goals taking 1 to 5 years, such as buying a first car, paying college expenses, or starting a business. Level 3 is for long-term goals, taking decades or more, like buying a home, retirement, or financial independence, all of which will require investing. One of your most important tools is the Emergency Fund Health Potion, which should only be used for urgent, necessary, and unexpected things like medical bills, car repairs, or broken phones. You must not use it for wants and entertainment like vacations, concert tickets, or holiday gifts. The golden rule for this fund is to save enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Building that fund requires the magic of delayed gratification, which means giving up a small reward today in exchange for a massive reward tomorrow by using discipline and patience. If you choose option A and spend $100 today, you get instant but brief fun. But if you choose option B to save and invest that same $100, it turns into long-term wealth and massive future growth. How exactly does this growth happen? Let's look at the 2 types of interest. With simple interest, you only get paid on the original principal amount, meaning the growth is slow and steady. But compound interest is where the magic happens because it is interest on interest, your money makes money, and then that money makes more money, causing your growth to explode over time. Watch the snowball roll with a quick math example where you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual growth rate. In year 1, your $1,000 earns $100, giving you $1,100. In year 2, you earn 10% on $1,100, which adds $110 and brings your total to $1,210. By year 3, you earn 10% on $1,210, adding $121 to reach $1,331. The amazing insight here is that every single year, the bonus gets bigger without you having to do any extra work. If you ever want to know exactly how long it takes your money to double, use the cheat code called the Rule of 72. The formula is simple. Take 72 and divide it by your interest rate to get your exact years to double. For example, with an 8% growth rate, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. If you find a 12% growth rate, 72 divided by 12 means your money doubles in just 6 years. Because of how this math works, starting early completely beats starting rich. Imagine student A starts at age 15 and invests $1,000 per year, while student B starts at age 25 and invests the exact same $1,000 per year. Even with the exact same return rate, student A accumulates drastically more wealth simply because their money had 10 extra years of compound growth. Time is significantly more important than the amount you invest. Now you need to choose your strategy, remembering the core rule: saving protects money in the vault, while investing grows money in the engine. And you absolutely need both. Saving is for safety and short-term needs like emergencies or trips. Its pros are low risk and easy access, but its cons are lower returns and inflation risk. Investing is for wealth and long-term goals, like retirement and assets. Its pros are high growth potential and compounding, but its cons are that prices constantly fluctuate and there is a risk of temporary losses. To balance both, you must adopt the ultimate habit: pay yourself first. The trap most people fall into is spending first and then saving whatever is left, which is usually $0. The massive hack is to save first and then spend whatever is left, which completely guarantees growth. By automating this process, you remove the temptation to overspend, allowing you to just set it and forget it. As you apply this habit, be careful to avoid these 5 financial traps. Do not wait to start by thinking you'll save when you're older, because time lost is gone forever. Do not dismiss small amounts by thinking $5 or $10 doesn't matter, since consistency is far greater than size. Avoid spending everything because living paycheck to paycheck always leads to debt. And never ignore compound interest, or you will miss out on the magic multiplier. Finally, avoid saving without a specific goal, which is like running a race without a finish line. Let's look at the real-life playbook using Sophia's strategy as an example. If she has a $20 bill, she intentionally spends $10 on fun and immediate needs. Then she saves $5 for short-term emergencies and invests the remaining $5 for long-term wealth. The secret is that these amounts seem tiny, but extreme consistency combined with compound interest turns this simple $20 habit into massive future wealth, proving that daily habits matter much more than income. Mission accomplished. You now have your complete wealth toolkit. Remember that time is your greatest asset, so you need to start now. Emergency funds will keep you safe, and compound interest is your ultimate magic multiplier. Always pay yourself before you pay anyone else, and live by billionaire Warren Buffett's quote, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." The content in this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be construed as professional financial, investment, or legal advice. Financial decisions involve risk, and viewers should conduct their own research or consult with a certified professional before making any financial commitments.